Have you ever wondered how to generate passive income? Well, let's dive right into it. Passive income, in its simplest form, is revenue earned without the need for continuous effort. Picture it like this. You're earning money while you're sleeping, vacationing, or even binge-watching your favorite show. It's a financial stream that keeps flowing irrespective of your active involvement. Now, why is passive income important, you may ask? Well, it provides a sense of financial freedom and security. It's like having a safety net that catches you when you fall. It's about creating multiple income streams that work for you, rather than you working for them. Imagine the possibilities that open up when your livelihood isn't tied to the hours you put into a job. That's the power of passive income. It's about earning smarter, not harder. Over the next few minutes, we will explore expert tips and strategies to generate passive income. But first, as always, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks. One of the most common ways to generate passive income is through investing. It's like planting a seed today and nurturing it so it can grow into a tree tomorrow that will bear fruits for years to come. Imagine a world where your money works for you around the clock. While you're enjoying a good night's sleep or a vacation on a tropical island, your investments are busy growing your wealth. This is the power of investing. Now let's dive into the different avenues of investment. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds are some of the popular options that investors consider. Each of these options offers unique benefits and carries its own set of risks. Investing in stocks can offer high returns. When you purchase a company's stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. If the company does well, so does your investment. Bonds, on the other hand, are considered safer than stocks. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to an entity like a government or a corporation. In return, they agree to pay you interest over a certain period and return the principal amount at the end of that period. Real estate investments involve buying properties and making money through rental income, appreciation, or selling them at a profit. It's a tangible asset that can provide a steady income stream and potential tax benefits. Mutual funds allow you to pool your money with other investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They're managed by professional fund managers who make investment decisions on your behalf. Diversification is a key aspect of investing. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can balance risk and reward. Remember, all investments carry some degree of risk. Therefore, understanding and managing risk is crucial to successful investing. Investing wisely can provide a steady stream of income over time, making it a powerful tool for generating passive income. So take the time to educate yourself, make informed decisions, and let the power of investing work for you. Another effective strategy for generating passive income is building a side business. Now, you might be thinking, but I already have a full-time job. How can I possibly manage a side business? Well, the beauty of a side business is that it doesn't necessarily require your full-time attention. You can set it up, get it rolling, and then let it generate income even when you're not actively working on it. Let's delve into some side business ideas. First up, online stores. With the digital age upon us, setting up an online store has never been easier. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, vintage clothing, or even digital products, an online store can be a great way to earn passive income. Plus, with the right marketing strategies, you can reach customers all around the globe. Next, consider affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a win-win situation. The product owner gets more sales, and you get a piece of the pie. And the best part, you don't even need to have your own product. Freelancing is another side business idea worth exploring. If you have a specific skill, like graphic design or content writing, you can offer your services on a freelance basis. While this may require more active involvement initially, once you've built a solid client base, you can start outsourcing some of the work, turning your freelancing gig into a passive income source. Now, it's crucial to remember that the best side business for you is one that aligns with your skills and interests. If you're passionate about what you're doing, it won't feel like work. Plus, your enthusiasm will shine through, attracting more customers and leading to greater success. Building a side business can be a great way to generate passive income, especially if you choose a business idea that you're passionate about. So take a moment to reflect on your skills and interests, and consider how you can turn them into a profitable side business. Remember, the goal is to build a business that works for you, not one that you work for. Digital products can also be a lucrative source of passive income. You might be wondering, what are these digital products? Well, they span a wide array of categories, from ebooks to online courses, software, and so much more. These are products that exist in the digital realm, and they can be sold to anyone, anywhere, at any time. Imagine writing an ebook or creating an online course. Once you've done the initial work, these products can be sold over and over again with no additional effort required on your part. Each sale generates income, turning your one-time effort into a continuous stream of earnings. Software is another brilliant example. Developing an app or a piece of software might take a significant effort up front, but once it's developed, it can be sold repeatedly. By leveraging digital products, you can create a source of passive income that requires minimal maintenance. This is the power of the digital age, and it's at your fingertips. So, let's recap the main strategies for generating passive income. We've had a journey through the power of investing, where we learned how smart investments can grow our wealth over time. Then, we delved into the world of building a side business, a potentially lucrative venture that can be nurtured in our spare time. We also explored the realm of digital products, a modern avenue for passive income that leverages the power of the internet. From ebooks to online courses, these digital assets can generate income round the clock once set up properly. Each of these strategies offers unique opportunities and challenges. It's vital to explore them and find what suits your skill set, risk appetite, and lifestyle. The journey towards passive income is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Remember, generating passive income requires patience and strategic planning. But once you've set up your income streams, they can provide financial freedom and security for years to come. For more information about making money while on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you, and have a great day.